If you guys already know what a sitemap is, but you guys need help building it, then I highly recommend you guys to watch the next video, link in description below. Now, if you do not know what a sitemap is, then continue watching this video. Hey designers, what's going on? My name is FamMD and I'm a UI UX designer in Toronto. As I have mentioned before, I am redesigning my client website, livebohoaway.com. Do not forget, before the sitemap, you need to do a discovery stage. Link in description below because that video I've already created before this one. Check that out first and then come back here. Building a sitemap is very simple, so this video is going to be nice and short. First off, it is extremely important to know how many pages you are designing for and how to navigate users to explore the entire website. As you can see, the majority of the sitemaps are designed in outline and the pages are directed to other pages. It is very easy to create a sitemap for a small website. What do I mean by a small website? Sites that just have 5 pages like homepage, about us page, services, contact us, things like that. So that's super simple. However, if you're creating a sitemap that is for a big site that have hundreds and thousands of pages, then it's best to display only the important pages of the website. Now keep in mind that you do not need to design your sitemap as shown. I personally have designed mine on a notepad. In some cases, the product director, creative director, technical director, even the client might provide you the sitemap. Therefore, you do not have to create it from scratch. One of the best features of a sitemap is it helps search engine crawlers such as Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines help discover your website. Please make sure that your sitemap is easy to understand. Do not add any high UI graphics whatsoever. Keep it sweet and simple. Yes, you can do the outline. Yes, you can write it on a notepad. You can write it on a piece of paper, but please make sure that it's easy to understand. And that is it. So that is what a sitemap is. And I hope it was easy for you guys to understand. If you have any questions, comment below. The part 2 of sitemap is in description below. It's highly recommended. Check that out. I will show you a tutorial on how I have built my sitemap. And after that, there's a third video coming up. So make sure to wait for that, which will be posted on the next Sunday. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, like the video. If you have not, subscribe, click on the bell icon, and I'll see you guys on another video. Peace out.